All of you can see the screen of mine. So in the previous class, we were solving continuous beam using Canis method. Okay, and here we have gone till the rotation contribution part. Okay, now the next step is, or the fourth step is the calculation of the final moments. Okay, so now how this final moments will be calculated? Who can tell this one? How the final moments will be calculated or can be calculated? So the final, so let us say the final moments. Okay, let us say MAB. Sorry, MAB is the, let us say, the final moment. Okay, at the cross section AB. So MAB equals to MF AB
MFAB plus
plus
2
2 in
M dash AB
M dash AB, then plus
plus M dash BA.
M dash BA. Okay. So how much is MFAB we calculated earlier?
Minus 16, sir.
Yes, minus 16 plus M dash AB is
0.
0. Then plus M dash BA. How much is M dash BA?
5.9.
9088. Okay. So please sum it up and tell me the value.
Minus 10.0913.
Minus 10.0913. So similarly, MBA equals to MFBA plus 2 times M bar BA plus M bar AB. Okay, so how much is MFAB? MFAB is plus 60, sorry, MFBA is plus 16 plus 2 into M dash BA is this one. So 2 into 5.9088 plus M bar AB is 0. Okay, so please quickly tell me how much is the value. This implies MBA equals to
27.827.
27.817. Okay, 82. Let us say 82. Okay, next one is MBC. MBC equals to similarly MFBC plus 2 into M dash BC plus M dash CB. Okay, so MFBC is, how much is MFBC? Minus 32, right? So minus 32 plus 2 into 5.28. Okay, 5.2821 plus how much is M bar CB? M bar CB is minus, okay, so this one is minus 6.3838. Okay, so please find out the value. How much is this one?
Minus 27.82.
Minus 27.82 ton meter. Okay, next one, M bar CB equals to MF CB plus twice of M bar CB plus M bar BC. Okay, so MFCB is, how much is MFCB? Plus 16 plus 2 into minus M bar CB. M bar CB is this one. So 6.3838. Okay, then plus how much is M bar BC? 5.282821. So this implies M, sorry, this is not M bar CB, this is MCB only. My mistake. Okay, so MCB equals to, please find out the value.
8.514.
8.514.
8.514. Let us say 8.514. Okay, so next one is M. What will be the next value? MCD. MCD equals to MFCD plus twice of M bar, sorry, M bar CD, M bar CD plus M bar DC. Okay, so how much is a MFCD? MFCD is 1.
1.
Yes, plus twice of M bar CD is, how much is M bar CD? Here you can see minus 4.75 or 7572. Okay, so minus 4.7572, and M bar DC, it is already 0. Okay, so please tell me the value for this one.
Minus 8.514.
Minus 8.514. Okay, so next is M. Do we need to find out the value of MDC, or MDC we have already found out? Do we need to find out the value of MDC?
No, sir.
No,
Because
it is already, by default we have already calculated it as 20 tons meter. Okay, so now what will be the bending moment diagram for this one? Huh? Can you draw the bending moment diagram for this one? Okay, so let me draw that one for you. So the original structure is like this. So let us first draw the structure, then it will be easier for us to tell the values. Okay, so this is the fixed end, followed by this is the hinged end, this is another hinged end, this is another hinged end, this is A, B, C, D. Someone's mic is on. Please put mute if you are not answering the question, any question. Okay, so this is 3 ton per meter, this is 8 tons, and this distance is already 4 meters. This one is 8 meters, and the magnitude of this one is 2 ton per meter, followed by the length of this one is 6 meters, and here it is 10 tons, and the distance is 2 meters. Okay, so let us draw the bending moment diagram for this one. So please help me with this one, guys. So I am directly putting the value. Okay, you just cross verify that one whether it is correct or not. Okay, so this one, this yellow ink is visible to you, right, guys? Please respond.
Sir, not clearly visible, sir. Lightly it's visible.
Lightly it's visible. Okay, I'm using the reading then. Okay, so
You can use also, sir.
You can use.
Okay, no problem, sir. Good one.
Okay, so this one is 10.08. Okay, and this value is 27.84. Okay, and then this one is 8.58. Then this one is, so sorry, this will be probably here because it is around 30 point something. Okay, so this value, sorry, 8.58, sorry, it is 20. I was doing the right thing. It is 20 and then it will come to 0. Okay, and this one, this, let's use black ink. So this is 24 is the maximum one. Then here it will be a triangular load, sorry, triangular pattern. So it is 48 and here it is 9. That's it. Okay, so let me highlight this part. This part will be positive and this portion will be the positive bending moment. Okay, and rest all are here negative. So this one is again negative bending moment. This one is again negative bending moment, followed by this entire section will be the negative bending moment. Okay, so like this will be the bending moment diagram. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this portion is E. Okay, so shall we do another problem? So let's okay, let's do another problem. So all of you please take down the next problem. So we will again do a continuous beam. Okay, so please write the question. Analyze the beam shown in figure below using Canis method. Full stop. Also draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, so let us see how that structure looks. So this end is hinged. Here we have another support. This is also hinged. Again, here we have another support. This is also hinged. This one is also hinged. followed by this one is fixed. Okay, so and here we have the magnitude of this one is 2 ton per meter. Here I have one, this is 9 tons, and the distance between this one and this one is this is 2 meters, and this distance is 4 meters, followed by here I am again having a UDL, this is 3 ton per meter, and here it is 8 tons, and this distance is 8 meters. So it seems like here we have the thunderstorm. Okay, no issue. So this distance is 4 meters. Okay, now this is 2i, this one is 1.5i, this one is I, and this one is 4 by 3i. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Okay, so this is the problem. So let's start solving this one. Yes,
Sir,
uh,
from A to B distance you are not given, sir. Length of the beam.
yeah, it is sorry, it is 6 meters. 6 meters it is. Okay, so
From C, it is
no, B to C it is there, no? 2 meter plus 4 meter. Okay, yes, C to D it is again not there, sorry. So it is 8 meters. Okay, so what will be the first step? Who can tell? The step 1 will be
Fixed end movement, sir.
fixed end movements, right? Fixed end movements. Okay, so the fixed end moments. So MFAB will be how much? Please help me with this one, guys. MFAB equals to W minus W into WL square by 12, right? Is it correct? Yes or no? Minus 2.
Correct, sir.
Huh? WL square by 4. Huh?
12
WL
only, sir. Correct only,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Divided by 12. So it is how much it is coming?
-6, sir.
Minus 6. Okay, so next one, MFBA equals to how much is MFBA?
6.
Plus 6 tons meter. Okay, now BC, how much will be MFBC? So 9
-8.
yes, now minus 9 into 2 into 4 square divided by 6 square, sorry, divided by 6 square. So how much it is coming? Please tell.
-8.
Minus 8 ton meter. So similarly, MFCB equals to -9 into 2 square into 4 divided by 6 square. So how much it is coming? Sorry,
4,
this
sir.
is
4.
minus, it is plus.
4,
Yes,
sir.
4 ton meter. Now
Sir,
MF,
minus not
yes,
like
yes, plus only, not minus. MF CD. MFCD equals to 3 into 8 square divided by 12. So how much it will be?
-3, sir. that one.
Minus 3.
-16, sir.
Minus 16 it is.
minus
Yes. So minus 16 ton meter. Okay. So now the diagram is not visible. MFDC equals to, this is minus
Plus
16, okay, plus 16 ton meter. Now MFDE equals to minus 18 into 4 into 8 square divided by 12 square divided by 12 square. So how much it is coming? Please calculate. Please
Load is
calculate.
8 or 18, sir.
Huh? Total
Load is
is 8.
14 minus 14.22, sir.
double 2, sir.
Sorry,
Minus
minus
14.
minus 32, sir.
sorry. The load is 18, guys. The load is 18. Sorry. The load is 18. The load is 18. Okay, please rectify this one. The load
So
over
minus
here
30, sir.
minus
Minus
32,
32,
right?
sir.
2 ton meter.
Okay. So minus 32 ton meter. Now MFED equals to minus 18 into 4 square into 8 divided by 12 square. So how much will be that one?
16, sir.
16 ton meter.
16 ton meter. Okay. So what will be the next step? The next step will be
rotation factor.
rotation, that one, distribution factor and rotation factors. So step 2, it is step 2, distribution factor and rotation factors. Okay, so now the first one will be joints, then we have members, then we have relative stiffness, then we have total relative stiffness, then we have distribution factors, then we have rotation factors. Am I correct? Okay, so now the joints are joint B, C, D. Okay, so let us consider first joint. Okay, all of you please see your diagram. Okay, because I may not be able to show you the diagram along this one. Okay, So if we see this joint B, okay, now what are the members connected? So it is A and C. So it is BA and
BC.
BC. Okay. So what will be the relative stiffness for BA since it is fixed? Sorry, it is hinged. What will be the relative stiffness? It will be
3I by L.
3EI by L. Okay. So 3E into I is 4 by 3 into I divided by L is 6 meters. Okay. 6. So this 3 gets cancelled. This one, this is 2, this is 3. So what is 2 by 3? 2 by 3? How much is 2 by 3? 0.67. Am I correct?
0.66, sir.
0.66. So let's take it as 0.67 EI.
0.67.
Okay. Now, so similarly, what will be BC since this end C is a hinged one, but that too it is a continuous end. Okay, so after this the beam is also extending, so this we will consider as fixed, right? So for fixed, 4 E into I is I divided by L is 6 meters, so 4 by 6, so 2 2s are 2 3s are. Okay, so again 2 by 3 EI. Okay, so 2 by 3
0.67.
0.67 EI. Okay, so the total will be 0.67 plus 0.67. 1.34. Am I correct? 1.34 EI.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1.34 means 0.67 divided by 1.34. So it is 1 by 2, it is 0.5. So this will be 0.5. This will be again 0.5. So the rotation factor will be minus 0.5 by 2. So this becomes minus 0.25. Similarly, this will be also minus 0.25. Okay. So next one is joint C. So with joint C, B and D are connected. So CB and CD. Okay. So for this CB, whatever is there with BC, the same will be there. Okay. So this will be again, so for CD, guys, please ignore the background noise because I am sitting in my balcony. Okay. So I hope you don't mind this one. So CD. Okay. So again, since D is a continuous end, so this will be 4 into E into I is 1.5 by 8. Okay. So 1, this is 2. 0.75. Right. So this will be 0.75 EI. Okay. So 0.67 plus 0.75. 1.42.
1.4.
Yes, so this is 1.42. So please we calculate how much will be this one distribution factor.
0.47.
0.47, sir.
This one, and what
47.
about this one? 0.56.
5.2, sir.
52. Okay.
0.52, sir.
Okay, 0.52. So again, this one will be minus 0.47 divided by 2. This will be minus 0.52 divided by 2.
Sir,
Yes.
0.2.
sir, distribution factor is equal to, we have to get 1, sir. But it will come 0.99 only.
No. Okay. Wait, then let me check this one. Because since we rounded it off, that's why it is coming 0.1 as less. Okay, so if I check 0.66 divided by 1.42, 0.464. Okay, this is coming as 0.464, and this is sorry, yeah, this is 0.75. So wait, 0.75 divided by 1.42. No. it is coming 0.528. Okay, so this, okay, let us say this is 2 by 3, right? Okay, so 2 by 3 plus 0.75. Okay, so wait, let me do that. 2 by 3, 2 divided by 3 plus 0.75. It is coming as 1 point. It is coming as 1.416. Okay, this is coming as 1.416. So 0.6666 divided by 1.416. It is coming as 0.466, and this one will be 0.75 divided by 1.416. So it is coming as 0.529. Okay, so even if you sum this one, 529, no, this should come as 3. This should come as this should come as, how much this should come? This should it is some minor only. So 0.466 plus 0.52996 15. This is 9. This is 9.95. So it is lacking by 0.005. 0.005. It is very negligible one. No issue. Okay, if you want, you can take 0.47 and 0.52, or you can take 0.466, 0.529. So it will roughly come as, so these values will roughly come as 0.47. Let's say 0.47 divided by 2, it is minus 0.235, and this will be 0.52 divided by 2. So it is minus 0.26. Okay. So similarly, for joint D, okay, so it is DC and DE. Am I correct? DC and DE. So now if you see this one, DC is again 4EI by L, and DE is again, since this is fixed end, this one, E is fixed. Okay, this one is fixed, so again it is 4EI by L. Okay, so this will be So for DC, it is 4 into E is E into I is 1.5. 1.5 I divided by L is 8. So it will be same 0.75 EI, and this DE will be 4 E into 2I divided by this L is 12 meters. L is 12 meters. Okay, so this divided by 12. 3. So again 0.67 EI. Okay. Sorry. .67 EI. So again it will be 1.416. So this will be 0.529. This I am taking rough values, no issue. This will be 0.476. Okay, so this will be again minus 0.26, and this will be minus, sorry, okay, I have written this one. Okay, so this is the rotation factor, and this is again 0.235. Okay, so these are the distribution factors and rotation factors for the 3 joints what we have. Okay, so in the next class we will find out the or we will do the distribution. Okay,
అర్థమా? అర్థమైంది నాకు. లక్ష వేసినాడు మళ్ళీ 30,000 వేసినాడు. ఎన్ని వేస్తాడో.
Govardhan Garu, your voice is being recorded.
Sorry, sir.